Now, after the exhaustive discussion of, haloalkanes as well as haloarenes, next part in your syllabus is you can see preparation of methods of haloalkanes or alkyl halides. First is the halogenation reaction. So far halogenation is concerned, first you can say chlorination, or what is that? Bromination. Both have nearly same reactivity, so the answer will remain same. You take methane, undergo chlorination in presence of sunlight, CS3Cl plus HCl. You can say ethane, Cl2 in presence of ultraviolet rays, C2H5Cl plus HCl. But if you are getting propane, so there are two possibilities. This is 1 degree carbon, this is 2 degree carbon, and this is 1 degree carbon. When any carbon is linked with one carbon, it is primary. This carbon at the same time linked with two carbons, it is secondary. If any carbon linked with 3 carbon, it is tertiary, and if any carbon linked with 4 carbon, it is quaternary. So carbons are classified as primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. But here, if they undergo chlorination in presence of ultraviolet rays, then there are two possibilities. Once you replace the hydrogen from this, CH3, CH2, it is 1 degree halide, and further same reaction, but once you replace the hydrogen from secondary carbon, then it is not primary, this halogen is secondary, it is 2 degree. But here it is mandatory to write, it is major alkyl halide, and it is, what is that? Minor alkyl halide. Tell me anybody, why the first one was the minor and the second one was the major? Because of 2 degree alkyl halides are more reactive, more stable than the primary alkyl halide. The order of reactivity of reaction always proceeds through more stable. The order of stability of alkyl halide is 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. Because of 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree carbocation is more stable than 1 degree carbocation. So always remember, reaction always proceeds through more stable carbocation. 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree as well as 1 degree. 3 degree means 3R, 2 degree means 2R, and 1 degree means 1R. So reaction always proceeds through more stable carbocation. So 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 degree. That is why it is minor and it is what? Major alkyl halide. It is isopropyl chloride or IUPAC system 1, 2 and 3. It is 2-chloropropane. It was normal propyl chloride or it is 1-chloropropane. So one question from your textbook. Let you solve. What is the right answer? Question is, benzene ring, nitro group is given, CH2 and CH3. Draw the major products in presence of heat or light. So you don't replace the hydrogen from 1 degree carbon. Remember it. We have to replace the hydrogen from this H 2 degree, because this is the carbon and this is the carbon and carbon. This carbon is what degree carbon? 2 degree. But once you replace the hydrogen from this point, that is wrong. So HBr is lost here. Nitro is already placed at its own point. CH and Br and CS3. This is the right answer. Don't replace the hydrogen from 1 degree. Right. So far as bromination is concerned, the same thing. Then next is the, bromination is same above. C is the iodination. So far as iodination is concerned, iodine is highly unstable, so there is possibility of reversibility of the reaction CS3I plus Hi. To avoid the reversibility, because iodine is greater size, highly unstable, so there is possibility to reverse back the reaction. That's why, to avoid reverse reaction, we add a strong oxidizing agent like hydroiodic acid and nitric acid. So check the reaction. Hi plus HiO3, iodine and iodine, which changes Hi into iodine, which oxidizes H2O plus O2. Similarly here, 2 times Hi, 2 times HNO3, I2 plus 2H2O plus what is that? 2NO2. So dear students, Hi changes into what is that? I2, which oxidizes Hi to I2. Therefore, it is important in case of iodination, because iodine is highly stable. So for fluorination, direct method is not possible. Fluorine is highly explosive in nature. Indirect process is possible, that is known as Swart method. So far as Swart reaction, CS3 CS2Br plus AgI. Now AgBr is lost here. CS3 CS2 and iodine. So far as CS3 CS2 Cl, Hg2F2, mercurous fluoride, this is 2 times, so Hg2 Cl2 plus 2 times CS3 CS2 and fluorine. This is the Swart method. Now next is the next method is the halide exchange method. Halide exchange, that was given by Finkelstein, Finkelstein, Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein halide exchange, C2H5Cl plus NaI or Ki in presence of acetone, that is the NaCl is lost, C2H5 iodine, ethyl iodide, C2H5Br plus NaI or Ki reflux with acetone. Therefore, anyone tell me why we have added acetone here? C2H5 and iodine, because acetone is organic and NaI is the inorganic. Therefore, these are immiscible to each other. That is why this is to be added here. This is to be added here to form this one. Okay, students. So halide exchange. Next is the Hans-Decker boradine reaction. This is only for the alkyl bromide. So Swart is for the fluoride, Finkelstein is for the iodide, and Hans-Decker is for bromide. Now CS3, silver salt of fatty acids, are treated with Br2. Decarboxylation takes place. This reaction is used for the conversion, descending order conversion, because of here we have taken 2 carbon, but finally we are getting 1. So So this type of reaction is widely used for descending order conversion. So this is the fluoride, bromide and iodide. So next is you can see, next method is the reaction with halogen acid. HF is more reactive than HCl, then HBr, and then what is that? HI. So these are the different reactivity of that. So I'll discuss in my next class, reaction of alcohol with halogen acid. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.